Hello everyone, welcome to Trending Transition. Today we're gonna learn VLOOKUP. So without wasting any time, I'm getting you into my computer screen. So let's begin. So now you're in my computer screen. My desktop, you can see the master sheet and the VLOOKUP sheet. From this master sheet, we will retrieve the values to this VLOOKUP sheet by applying VLOOKUP function. So I'm getting into this VLOOKUP function. So we will write here a VLOOKUP function. So when we write the VLOOKUP, it asks for lookup value. Lookup value will be the employee code. So employee code, by this value, the VLOOKUP will search where the date of joining. So now we will separate by the comma here. Now we will go to the master sheet. This date of joining is on. We will select it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 6th column, index number of date of joining would be 6. Separate here by comma. Column index number would be 6. We will put it here 6. Now we will separate by the comma again. We need exact match, so we will select exact match. Now we will close this one and press enter. Now we got the date of joining of this employee ID. So we will drag till here all the date of joining for the corresponding employees. So now we need the confirmation status of the specific employee. These are the employee. We need to know who is confirmed or who is not confirmed. Now again we will write VLOOKUP function. So the lookup value will be the employee code again. Now we will go to master sheet. So now we will store in the array. From here we will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8th column, the status is written. So my column index is 8. Now we will have the column index 8. Now we will separate by the comma and we will write 8th. So when we need exact match, we will say false. Now we will close this function, press enter. We will drag it till here. We can see here 2 employee is not confirmed. Now we know the status of who is confirmed or who is not confirmed. So far we've learned that the applying by VLOOKUP we are getting only one value. Now by applying one VLOOKUP we will get the 6 columns from the master. For that we have to select from here, from gender until the confirmation status. So we'll go to the formula bar and we'll write here VLOOKUP. Again we look up with this employee code separated by a comma. Now we will go to the master sheet. Here now we will select and count. This is the lookup value employee ID. This the lookup. So from here we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So until confirmation there are 6 values. So we will start the index column 2 to 6. So now we will separate by comma. We will write curly bracket. Now we will put the range of lookup. We will start with the column index number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we will close. It was from 2 to 7. Now separate it by comma. So we need exact match. We will select this exact match. Now we will close this bracket. Now when we press enter, we must press Ctrl Shift. After pressing the Ctrl Shift, then we will press enter. Now you can see that all the values coming in one VLOOKUP. Now we will drag till here and also we will set it. Now you can see that the employees gender, date of birth, business unit, date of joining, date of confirmation, confirmation status. Everything comes by applying only one VLOOKUP. So hope you will understand. If you have any comments, you can put it in the comment section so that I will elaborate.